Tonight, doctors are saying more wind and a lack of rain are both impacting the allergy season. We've all been feeling those strong winds lately, which is stirring up allergens even more than usual. Usually rain or snow helps knock it all down, but we have been so devoid of moisture on the Front Range and the plains. In fact, we're now on track to have one of the driest Aprils in state history.
Well, we do have team coverage for you tonight. Lauren Whitney on that dry outlook. We start, though, with Kelly Worthman and an eye on your health. Kelly, these allergies certainly just no fun.
No, not for anybody, even if you don't have spring allergies usually. On a day like today, we all want to be outside soaking up the sunshine and admiring all that's in bloom during the spring season. But not everybody can enjoy it, especially if you have those spring allergies. And if you think this season is worse than ever, you're not alone.
Everybody's been talking about it.
Spring is in the air. So's a lot of other stuff.
Definitely something's in the air.
And it's been tough for allergy sufferers.
Itchy eyes and itchy throats.
Even those who aren't typically so itchy, sneezy, drippy this time of year.
My daughter's been having itchy eyes for the first time.
So I came in 2009.
It's something Dr. Flavia Hoyt at National Jewish Health has heard a lot about lately.
We've seen several patients just even this morning that have complained that this seems like the worst allergy season yet.
She can't say for certain if it's indeed the worst allergy season ever, but it's definitely been extra dry and windy, which is a brutal combination for allergies.
Windy, dry days are the worst for pollen. Trees are wind pollinated, and so the more wind you have, the farther the pollen goes.
Plus, what's not in the air is making matters worse.
And you don't have the rain to kind of dampen that pollen, give people breaks.
On top of that, it's still the season for colds and flu, as well as that virus we've all been talking about for the last 2 years, COVID.
We've had plenty of surprises where people are pretty sure it's the allergies. They get tested, and sure enough, it's a positive.
So until Mother Nature wants to give us some April showers, we'll likely keep sneezing around new May flowers and whatever the wind blows in.
Without any rain, you just aren't getting any breaks.
All right, so here's Dr. Hoyt's advice. If you know you have spring allergies, keep taking your meds as your doctor recommends. Now, there are great over-the-counter medications as well as some nasal sprays, but Dr. Hoyt warns some of those can actually make your symptoms worse. So the best thing you can do to get relief, whether you have allergies or not, is just give your doctor a call. Reporting live in Denver, I'm Kelly Worthman, covering Colorado First.
Kelly, all right, thanks so much.